Hey guys, that's right. We are going to be doing another live stream this Saturday. We do them every Saturday on Micro Homesteaders channel. We got a bunch of people coming in with great information, a lot of knowledge. So please stop by Micro Homesteaders channel Saturday, 7 p.m. Central Time. The topics are homesteading, gardening, canning, wild edibles, and things that come up in the chat. It's a great time. Learn a lot of things. A lot of people come in there with a lot of information. So please stop by, join us in our live stream. And I hope to see you guys all there. Remember, Saturday, 7 p.m., set the bell on his channel. It'll remind you that we're going to have it. You guys all take care. God bless. And I'll see you there.